Bos. Well, we are in Pretoria today, guys, 2026. And this is Pretoria streets. I think this is the main street of Pretoria, right? Actually, the busiest street in the Pretoria CBD. Buses are in a queue. It's almost Chinese time. I mean, it's almost knock-off time for many who are working here in Pretoria. So these are the streets. Just gonna try to divert into different streets. Let's see how things are going on here. Avoid not to buy milk. Maize meal in the streets of Pretoria ever again, unless if I see them cooking right there and there. Because I once did a video here where I paused through a place in Marabastad where they are cooking some maize meal in drums, and it's just near the sewerage. The sewerage is running nearby. I can't trust where they're getting their water from. According to me, the hygiene there wasn't good for me, so I voted not to buy in the streets ever again. Hey, but that doesn't mean you cannot buy from the streets. The maize is very tasty if it's done properly. It's just that I can't just trust the sauce. If I see it cooking there and there, I buy it because I can trust the cleanness. Over and above, Pretoria is looking good so far. I don't know where I'm heading. Not so many people around here, especially this time. Not so many hawkers, not around here. Let's go check this side. Pretoria has less people in these areas. I think it all depends with time and days. (2026). Feeding some birds there. Amazing. Just like it when I see people having such time feeding birds. Hola boss. Kwamba. Sicela ubuze. Ustoka phi lo mbili? Maplazini. Uphekela endlini?
Sorry?
Do you cook it at home, at your house?
I cook it up in the storeroom.
In your room?
Storeroom.
Or that's where you cook it?
Yes.
Or you're not buying it from downtown Marabastad?
No.
You know where they are cooking that maize? Downtown Marabastad?
Most storeroom.
Nice, okay. Cool. Thanks. You see, the guy says he cooks this maize meal by himself. It's good if they are doing that. But do I trust that? No. No, it's just me. Guys, buy from these guys. But not for me anymore, because I've seen it by myself. I've got a video that is on this channel. You can go watch it out. I think I would rather buy it fresh and then go cook it for myself. Or like I said, when I see them cooking it right there and there, that's when I can buy it. I've learned a lesson. I've learned a lesson. So this is the market area where they sell different stuff, from clothes to vegetables, you can name it. Pretoria. How is the street walking? Hola, hola, hola. Ah, no, ngisapho, ngimnandi. Sure. Eta. Next time. Hola.
Hello, camera. This is on. Let me do it for you.
Let me clean you. Hayi suka wena. Wena wenza wakho umsebenzi bengizokusupporta ne awucedelele phela angeke uyize one.
Ngiyazanshela just yesingwa thina sitshoni.
Ngizobuya ayivele. Ama customer angithi nangu bayakubona. Bazobuya ba. Anginamali today namhlanje anginamali. So uzoshiya esi1 ayeke na ke.
Ngishele izithu. Ngishele izithu.
Hayi suka.
Ngishele izithu.
They work, these guys. That's how they fish you. I told him I don't have the money, but he still spray that shoe polish. Crazy though. I know them. I sometimes support them, but not today.